So now I got it to work. It just took a little more time than I thought it would, but now I have to set up it with my email. So just gonna quickly type that in. Next. So now it's adding my account. As you can see, taking a second, and I gotta put in my password. And we should be good for now. See if this works. Okay, Google send a notification to your phone to verify it's you. Yes, we could do that. So, let's see. It said Google sent a notification to my phone, so I'm gonna check my phone. And I can see the notification. So, okay, I just confirmed it. And it should be... it just worked. Well, I mean, it came to my phone. So, okay, there we go. It worked now. I don't know why I had to do that twice, but oh well. So, accept. So now it's checking my info, and it should be pretty close to getting done with setting this thing up. It's taking a little bit. By the way, we still have a headphone jack. In 2018, we still have a headphone jack. Thank you, Samsung. Samsung is the best for having a headphone jack. They have Qualcomm 4G, as you can see. If it'll focus, didn't mean to rhyme. Hold on. Just gotta get to focus. Come on. You can do it. Oh my goodness. It's still not gonna focus. Hold on. It'll get there eventually. There we go. Okay, as you can see, Qualcomm 4G. Can I get closer? Can I get... Oh well. But there is that 5 megapixel camera. It's a very, very tiny sensor, as you can see. Let me see if I can get a good angle on that. There we go. That's a good angle. And it has that single LED flash, Samsung branding, and nothing else. And just a home button on the front. I kind of like it. Kind of like phones with home button. Samsung sensors, front-facing camera, very, very tiny camera. And okay. So I'm just go ahead and click next. So as you can see, this thing's dropped 3% in battery, so that means the battery doesn't seem to be the absolute best. But, you know, that's expected with such a small battery, even though it is a very low-quality display. A fairly low-quality display. I wouldn't say very. But, no, I'm not going to do that now. Should I go ahead and make a password? You know, I will. 1 second. Let me see. What should I? Pin pattern. I will choose one of these. Will not tell you. That will be mystery. I will leave that to be a mystery. Okay, so it says require this when device turns on, or do not require. Turns on. Maybe that means when it starts up. So no, I do not want to do that whenever I start up my phone. That will drive me nuts. Alright, so my pattern has been set, or my pin, or my password. It's one of those three, but it has been set. So now it's on to notifications. It says on hide content, notification icons only. I like to have mine on hide content, I don't like snoopy people, all these nosy people in this world. I'm pretty sure you know what I'm talking about. Must be a nosy person in your life as well. Restore your apps and data from one of these devices. It only shows one phone. Let me see. Okay, so apparently this is just showing apps that were on my other phone. Should I? I don't know if I should. No, I'm not gonna do that right now. I will skip this. I will not do that. Well, actually, you know what? Oh wait, what did I just do? Oh, okay. Well, I guess it's. Did I skip something? I might want to. Oh, this is just for apps. I was thinking because it said apps and settings, so I went back to try to see if I can maybe restore settings, but maybe it has to be another Android device. So don't restore. Reset a device without apps and data. Yes. Samsung account. I do believe I have one. Let me see if I can remember it. I do believe that I have a Samsung account. I must make sure that I have my password right. I'm looking at my notes currently. Let's see. So I don't see it yet. Let me think. Maybe I could just try it and hopefully my password will work. I don't want to lock myself out. So I'm going to just try one of my passwords and hope that it works on the first try. And that, I put that in wrong. Try that again. So, nope. Okay, that did not work. Try a different one. By the way, I have multiple passwords. So, okay, there we go. I got it. Alright. So, I got my password. I remembered it, thankfully. Let's see. So, customize your device, protect your content, protect your private data and apps from phishing and other attacks by saving them in a secure folder. Get weather forecasts and okay. Consent to use the location, turn on location. Okay. So finish. Alright, so it looks like we're in, guys. Copy content from old device. Smart switch helps you copy content from an old device to a new device. I will do that later. So as you can see, we are on the home screen. It has a message notification, voicemail. So let's just see what exactly we have pre-installed. We have Chrome, all the Google apps, all typical Google apps, photos. All right. So we have. Come on, focus. Okay. So is that all that we have? All right, we have caller ID, Amazon Photos. So we have a lot of Amazon crap on here. I will be deleting this. Let's just, you know what? Let's just go ahead and delete this now. Oh, whoops. Remove. How do you turn off? What? Turn off. Okay. Yeah, disable that. I do not want that. Turn off. I will probably end up going delving a little deeper in this, but seems like that's all we have. Sensor notes, settings. Oh yeah, let's go to settings. Let's find out what software this is on. So about device. And we are running Marshmallow. We are running Android 6.0.1 Marshmallow. That's pretty pitiful, but when you think about it, it's a very cheap phone. So, it's not too big of a deal. It's fairly new, but it's also fairly old. So, that's not that good. But we do have a Android security patch level of February 1st, 2017. It is currently February 26th of 2018. So that's very bad as well. So Samsung, please hop on that. That's pretty bad. It has Samsung Knox, like I said. Don't really know. Knox 2.7. I don't really know how recent that is. I'm not very familiar with Samsung Knox. However, it does have a very modern looking version of Samsung UX UI. So that is a plus. But I hope that you enjoyed this unboxing and review of this phone. As you can see, it has a lot of functions and has 16 gigs of storage, as I said. Speaking of storage, let's go ahead and see how much storage has actually been used already. So let's see, settings. Go to settings. Turn on airplane mode. Cancel for now. So settings. Let's see. Device maintenance. So battery, storage, RAM, storage. Let's see. Let's see. Come on. Slow processor. Speaking of processors, let me see if it says the processor on the box. From what I see, I cannot see a processor. Why is this taking so long?